So I really like a flashlight, and I have a small collection of a flashlight. Oftentimes when you buy the flashlight, it comes with the battery. I think the most popular battery for the flashlight, rechargeable battery, is 1865. I think this is the most common one, and RCR123A is the most popular. There's like the new type of battery, it's called 2170. It's a larger compared to the 1865, and the capacity on these batteries are just incredible. It's 5,000 milliamp. So when I received the flashlight and the batteries, I think I'm really curious about the actual capacity of these batteries. So I thought I want to make a small test to test each battery that I own from those flashlights to see if it hits what they marked, or below or even beyond what they rated. Now I have three types of batteries. So one is the RCR123A. This one is from Olight. It's rated 650 milliamp. Condition for this battery, I own this flashlight almost 5 years. Charging cycle around 30 cycles. Not a brand new, but it's been used a lot of times. 1865 battery. The condition of this battery is pretty new. I bought this Warrior, but I never used it 2 years ago. It's just because the build quality, it's too good that I don't want to use it. I just put in my collection. I only charged maybe 10 times, very new. And for this one, rated a milliamp 3,500. If you don't use these type of battery come with the flashlight, I don't think we'll get the max output from the flashlight. If you want to get the max output, you have to use those batteries. The other one I have is from Fenix, rated 5,000. This is the one that I'm really curious about the actual capacity. The last one I have Nitecore 2170 as well, rated 5,000 milliamp. So I think these two battery is it's pretty much identical, the size, and then it's also both of them are USB-C type rechargeable directly on the battery. So because these batteries are too big, so it will not fit into all of my universal chargers. So the only thing I can do is, I think the only thing that most people can do is charge via this port, USB-C type. But I find a way doing the test. I have a RC charger, and then I did a modification, make my own charging cord. Fits all type of battery. I'll show you my setup. The condition for these two batteries are pretty much brand new. I only did maybe 2 cycles on each cell. So I think the result will be most accurate for these two batteries, because these two batteries are pretty much brand new. My procedure to test these batteries are, for each of the battery I will discharge once, and then I'll do a full charge to see how much milliamp it can actually go into that cell. I covered most major brands right now in the flashlight community, which is Nitecore, Fenix, Olight. These three big brands. If this is something that you're concerned, I hope this video can help you. Okay, so let me show you my test setup. Okay, so this is my setup. I have this IMAX B6 Mini. It's the RC charger. Basically, it can charge all type of battery. And what I have done is I DIY'd a little cable. So basically, it can charge all type of batteries. So I use these magnets to stick on each end. And so this is the 1865, and I will do all of them. And then the setting for this is the lithium-ion battery. And then so what I'm gonna do is I will do a 1 amp discharge first, and then once it's completely discharged, I will do a 0.5 amp charge for the cell, and hopefully I can get some good numbers. And then I'll repeat these to all my batteries. It will take a while, but I'll check in the middle, and then I will share the final results with you. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, so the Olight 1865 battery is being fully discharged. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to charge the battery. So discharge, charge 0.5 amp and one cell. Okay, so the 1865 discharge is done. So it discharged 2,930 milliamp, and it took 3 hours and 15 minutes. Alright, so the 2170 Nitecore battery discharge is finished. So it discharged 4,599 milliamp, and it took 5 hours and 50 minutes. And I think this number is pretty reasonable. And so the next step is I'm gonna charge. Okay, so the discharge for the Fenix 2170 battery is finished. So it discharged 4,250 milliamp, and it took 4 hours and 41 minutes. The number seems pretty reasonable. So next I'm gonna charge this battery, and I'll see you later. Okay, so our last test is finished. So it charged 451 milliamp, and it took 58 minutes. Okay, so the test for all these batteries are complete. To be honest, all these numbers, it seems very reasonable. Since the RCR123A, I used the battery, the condition of the battery is very old, so the number did get a little bit lower compared to the rated number. Other than that, the Olight, so rated 3500, and then it discharged 2900, and then Fenix 2170 rated 5000, and then it discharged for 4250. Nitecore same. So I think from the data here, I think the Nitecore has the best capacity compared to rated number, and then I think these two are pretty much very similar. I hope you enjoyed the test. I'm not the battery expert by any means, but I think the result at least cleared out my concern. If this is something you're concerned, I hope this video can help you answer your concerns as well. And thank you for watching.